What's up, guys? And today we're doing the Sound of the Future challenges with this for Hatsune Miiko's bag. Miku #1 fan. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Okay, airtime. Oh, run into items to collect them. Oh, so there's items. That's what we need to do for the quest. Okay, let's go. Airtime. I also haven't got this in a long time because of the medical issue thing. Because like every time you go into something like the stars thing, like the light thing. Okay, there we go. We got on. We got it on the bun. We got it on the bun. Airtime is actually a bit hard, to be honest. Oh, come on. Yay! I got a Hatsune Miiko item. Hatsune Miiko. I'm rolling. They see me rolling. Catch me playing dirty. Oh. I didn't get it. I'm a baddie. I'm a baddies. Yay, Hatsune Miiko thingy. Okay, go. Okay, only 6 more %, that's fine, that's easy. Let's go. I could even go here. 1 more %, we just have to jump straight through. It doesn't matter if we don't do it, or yeah, let's go. Qualified. Yeah. Oh, this is gonna be easy for the tasks, like literally. Look how many things there are. But it's in the danger area. I need to get these Hatsune Miku stuff. No! Okay, we got 1 challenge. Let's see what it is. #1 Miku fan. Okay, why not equip it? Now we just need to collect the Sound of the Future item in round 2 of any core, so yeah, blah 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 blah. Yeah, it's pretty much just keep on getting the things. So yeah. Oh, short circuit. I've always thought of short circuit as a more of like race round, and then the normal rounds are just like parkour rounds. Like this is the actual race round, and also speed circuit. That's what I think of when race rounds in Fall Guys. So let's go. So we need to just collect all of these Hatsune Miiko items. I don't know, probably an anime person. Anime. Let's go. It's an anime. It's an anime person. Ah, retreat. We gotta be going. Please help. أنا بدي أحبس. fine, I can always jump up. Okay, we collected a few. Few. And a few. It's a common surrounding place for a mace. So it's not like the satellite event where it's like complete chaos. This is not like the satellite event where it's complete chaos just for peace, because even if someone else takes it, it doesn't show that it's taken for you. You can still take it even if someone took it. Yay, we qualified. Let's go. Jump club. I remember last time with Daniel, if you remember that. If you remember that from the last video. Oh, no, not the last video. You try not to touch the color yellow, yeah? Remember what happened when he tried to go in the hexagons? Thankfully, today we're not touching the color yellow. Today we're doing the Hatsune Miku challenges. I could be doing more, like less parts, because now I know how to edit and cut transitions. The videos won't be like 1 hour long, because like the editing transitions take up a big chunk of the video. It makes it like 10 minutes shorter when it edits. Oh wow. Wow, there's a lot of them. Sheesh, there's a lot. He do be doing his exams though. He do be doing his exams though. I actually need to go. No! Alright, so apparently we have actually completed 2 challenges. Yeah, we have. Let's see this one. Kudos, okay. Let's go. Oh, Sweet Thieves. I might play that in the next video. DoorDash. The last game, I hate the new variant, the one with the low gravity in the middle. I hate it. Like, I'm so good at the normal one. The one where there's not like a 5-meter gap in between. I'm better at that one. Good. We're getting it. We're getting some lightsabers. We're getting them lightsabers. I don't even know what they are. I don't know if they're lightsabers or what. I don't care. At least I'm getting them. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. La 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 la. I have a Discord server. Feel free to join that if you want. If you want to join that, feel free. Anytime. And you can post your Fall Guys clips on it, so I can react to it. I can react to them if you want. If you want, I could react to them. And Frantic Factory. Okay. Okay. Anyways, I can react to clips you post in the Discord server if you want. Like, I mean, that's me. If you post some clips in the clips and highlights section, I might react to them. Like, who knows? No. No. I got that. Like, really, I did get that. Okay. Ah, come on, I need them yellow buttons. People are qualifying left and right, but I ain't getting nothing. I need to qualify too, you know. I'm a player that plays Fall Guys. I'm even a gamer. Not a gamer, a YouTuber, actually. Even more than that. I'm even more famous than Mr. Beast. No, Mr. Beast is the OG. Let's go. Hopefully Mr. Beast will continue making videos in the future. Please be yellows. I need yellows. That's the same, the terms and conditions does not apply to a solo version. In this case, I might have some time actually. You know? No! Let's turn yellow. Yes, 1 point. Yes, we qualified. Let's go. Fruit shoot, not the space variant. Why? The space variant is also very annoying. Very, very annoying. Let's go. Anyways, we can take the side path like we did in the video. Only at the end where you're gonna have to give you up. Just kidding. Only at the end we're gonna have to take the middle. Not like at the beginning of the last half. I mean third. Like at the end of it. Okay, yes. That's why I always go on the sides in fruit shoot. It's like a guardian. And we're getting first place. So let's go first. No, not the low gravity roll off. I'll try my best though. I'll try my best. That's what I'm gonna say. I'll try my best though. Da, 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 da. No! 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 Okay, anyways, we got another tier, but we still haven't got because we need 2. And now we just need to collect some more glow sticks and onion sprouts. Ooh, DoorDash again. Let's go. So I found sometimes silence, just when I'm like concentrating so hard. Oh, my battery level is low. One more game and this will wrap it up for part 1. Gonna make part 2 very soon. Okay, jump there, let's jump there. DoorDash, 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 dash, dashing through the doors. DoorDash, 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 dashing through the doors. We're mainly focusing in this video to do that, so we're gonna do it first. We need them onion rings also. Let's go, we qualified. Let's go. Ooh, Frantica Factoria, haha. Gui. Frantique Factory. Frantique Factory. Let's go! We spawned right in front of a yellow one. So all we had to do was press straight away, and we've got a head start. Thank you to those who made the buttons that way. And yep, I'm very thankful for you. I'm very thankful for your existence. Not like other certain developers of the game who have done something bad to me. Like certain things, like me breaking my controller, or they maybe broke my controller because they made me pretty much. So yeah, one person already qualified. That means it is possible in that quick. Probably he was doing a speed run or something, I don't know. He probably was. My god, Nerdface. I can't wait to see him in real life. How does it look like? Ooh, you get launched high in the sky. I get launched. Ooh, the ones in the low gravity zone get it frequently. Wow. When is one gonna become yellow? Oh. Yes. 2 more. 3 more. Keeping patrol of both. Oh, missed. But there it is. Final point. Yes! Stomping grounds. I'm gonna play it the safest way, just to survive.
No, 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 no.
Definitely not the safest way. We've got this much. We can collect this. Thank you very much. Collect this. Thank you very much. And that's it. See you in part 2. Goodbye.